friend Omisi afenya maka abaha mi dona ka betun wa ha ye be ye by election krom wallahi ye friend say your police station mo ka che so wa ha aka betun wa ha mi dona afenya maka ombe by election krom. We are ready for that. If you are not respecting the police, wallahi will do by election is constituency.
Like what? He is threatening to kill the minority leader. This man is threatening to kill the minority leader. And because of NDC. Hey, now I want to know, Abusha, to us.
Why are you lucky? No, Omunia. Some party office, a higher party office. They are not right to come here. And I'm
like, are you able to confirm if indeed they removed some of your posters here?
How come they said they didn't remove anything? Because of that rush come here. That we will go do by election at Fenyamaking House. Here no be parliament. Yes, a free and fair field.
Yeah. What will be your message to your members, NDC?
Everybody to do ready. If they can't shang, we should come shang. He where you go lost too much. They go do by election in Wonka.
Apart from everything, how can a 70-year-old man be on a national television and threaten to kill someone? Threaten to kill not just a common Ghanaian, but threaten actually to kill the minority leader of parliament. Say what is or say or betty post into Roberto na and Kobe Kumno. Like really. Now you know it's like Oman way. We are going back to 19 Kwajoho. We thought say we were going forward through democracy, but Antisa say a person can threat somebody on camera and he's not being called for to order and he's walking free to the extent to say this man went on and attack another person. Yeah, we video way here.
By election about because omu MP Baku Mutala Mohammed wawu our play no say yeah by election our tamale by election ye hu ne no enye ebi ye call ebe luso ana bibinti wo ya hwe sa tragedy eto ne family ne busiafo ne yiremo ne nkora no. It is so sad. Say ye NPP ebetimi koho ekopre abawo ho enti na ye ba ye categorically na ka kira Ghana for say ye NPP for ya twe ho efiri sa by election no sanka NDC fere ade anka ba the time NPP ye twe ho efiri tamale by election no he say anka NDC for ye den omusu ye den etwe omu ho efiri by election we because by election we ye be akotia no aye by election aye because this is an MP. Winning the election no. 17 days back no ye Ghana ha. 17 days no ye Ghana ha. 17 days wo ye no who ye. Where are you so sad? So sad. So me who say Azorka no oba akotia. Me Alhaji Masawud me see me mbatamale. Na Azorka to me ba akotia mi hunsa so mun ka kira Azorka say mun ka kira
anya yiri shelan yerma mponna anya ba mponna yiri anya ba ma kan you put on the list, Mr. Kanye Blab. Your mother. I say your mother. I say your mother. Look, brother,
We have a man be myself video way Abrana Masawud Kasa. Everything show clear say Masawud was granting a fair interview. I know you be any asema. Oka video na waka krenti matwa so. Na utimu say Oka say a beautiful mpo say peace ekoso na abato na ekoso say the sene fata na de be anyhow. And you see, Masawud was not there to fight. But didn't tell Papa to me now more than a quiet dear. Nina say, Abra okay, say, Unya, fan your markings are obekum no. The police were supposed to have an immediate action. Come on, take action. So this encouraged the man to think, say, he is the man who can do whatever he wants to do, and he went on to attack the NPP vice chairman for no reason. Now, in the presence of everything, the police too were there, and they were even begging him. Obie di Bonne said yet to say. Now we're saying alcohol begging for what reason? Abusia, when you're politician, this is about law. It is our video where the attack from Papa Wedim Fiadus Aduson. Na Papa we when Masawud jina ho pass ye bo atwede a, do you think this man could have beat Masawud? But Masawud showed a maturity as a person. Yeah, we another video after the attack. The Azorka kaye and the Masawud nso e kaye.
I third vice politics in a on only on the opposition. Only say every NPP the oil violence, no man opposition. But or the bias so media anytime your appetite of fight anytime your appetite.
Like really? I already Jacopo. Yanko.
Onunka sani. Or year NPP for ma on fano subai. Born in over year NDC and paying for na ye ti ho. Who why? Those small boy why? Oh, kai maza. Why? I say I hot to see me. Oh, bra. Maza, why?
And to connection on Masawudu so baba on church so no dey na onye interview na na oye and na sebio fofiam to ata ye baba so ne menem yentie Masawudu so dey emra
of their party. I am also the national vice chairman of our party. I never mentioned his name by an insult. That I'm here and he just come to attack me just for nothing. This shows how NDC believe in violence. We do not believe in violence. We believe in peace because everybody is here for peace. Everybody is here for peace. I never attack anybody in my speech. I never attack anybody physically or even spiritually. I'm a Muslim. But if you attack me, if you just come and attack me just simply because I'm granting an interview, I didn't see the sense on it. But I am telling the whole world what Azorka did for me today. Azorka, I'm a Dogomba man. I am a Dogomba man. You are staying in Tamale, and you come and attack me. What about if my people from Tamale to attack you? How would it end up? I'm a chief. I'm a chief in Kumbungu village, and you come and attack me. If my people are going to retaliate, the peace officers are here when Azorka attack me, and I'm saying asking a question to Azorka. I am not afraid of Azorka. What Azorka is doing is putting himself to a shame. We know this today. Northerners, we have to show maturity. We have to show maturity. But why is it that when something happens like this, it's only we the Northerners that are attacking each other? I never attack you. I never attack Azorka. Why are you attacking me? That no, Alhaji Masawud. I would never allow any intimidation. I would come.
Yes, in fact, Masawud Azorka, you know, correct. You know, they came her first video, how everything started. They came there with a plan, said they wanted to beat somebody, they wanted to intimidate the citizens. Said, and in fact, they do what they can to intimidate people. Now, I am an old man, 70-year-old man. It be job take us yeah. Mebo me wa appetite to fight. I was here a ras video GH. Comment section.